Did you know that newborns can swim? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some essential newborn baby facts that every parent needs to know in 2024. Understanding these facts can really help ease the sometimes overwhelming journey of being a new parent. So, if you're ready, let's jump right in. Learning to talk begins in the womb. Your baby could hear your voice and other sounds from about 23 weeks of pregnancy. So although she won't say her first word until she's about a year old, she's learning about language right from the start. Babies are born with the ability to swim. Newborns naturally hold their breath when underwater, and even splash about with their arms and legs. If you take your baby to a swimming class, you'll see these innate talents in action. Babies' stomachs are surprisingly tiny. A newborn's stomach is only the size of a hazelnut. This explains why very young babies need to feed so often that they just don't have room in their tiny tummies to drink all the milk they need at once. It also means that even the smallest of air bubbles takes up precious space, which is why your baby may need winding during and after feeds. Newborn babies have no tears. Whilst your baby will howl and scream to get what they want or need, they won't theoretically cry. Newborn babies are unable to produce tears until around 3 weeks of age. This is because their tear ducts are not fully developed at birth. They will always produce moisture to keep the eyes well lubricated and healthy, but there will be no proper tears shed at least for the first 3 to 4 weeks. Babies are out of proportion. Have you noticed how out of proportion your baby's body appears? This is because at birth, your baby's head makes up around a quarter of its total length and the brain actually makes up 10% of its total body weight. Don't worry though, the rest of his body will quickly grow to catch up. Babies are always sleepy. You might have noticed that your baby is either always sleeping or looks sleepy. During the first few years of life, your baby will only be alert for around 3 minutes in each hour during the day, and even less during the night. A baby's brain, which is absorbing so much information in these first few years, will use up most of the glucose supplies in the body, which explains why your baby needs so much sleep. Babies have impressive reflexes. A newborn baby is born with around 70 reflexes. For example, if you hold your baby upright with his feet on a flat surface, his legs will do a stepping motion. Of course, your baby can't walk right now, but the knowledge of how to walk is born as a primitive reflex in your baby. Have you noticed that your baby jumps a lot? This is a reflex known as a morrow, or startle reflex, which is a natural response all babies have to a loud noise. When this reflex occurs, you will see your baby startle and put his arms up and out, whilst bringing up his knees. A lot of these reflexes will either develop or become more integrated as your little one develops and grows. Baby's hair falls out. Don't become too attached to that thick head of hair your baby was born with. Newborns tend to lose the hair they are born with during the first few weeks of birth. While it will gradually grow back over the first year, there's no guarantee it will be the same as before. Babies can swallow and breathe at the same time. Have you ever noticed when feeding your baby that he can drink his bottle without stopping? This is because your baby has the unique ability to swallow and breathe at the same time until around 7 months of age. If your baby gets a cold or a blocked nose, they lose this unique ability, which is why they can get so miserable and refuse to feed during this period. That's all for now. Comment below about the experiences you all have in handling these little toys. Thanks for watching.